Good morning children. Once again welcome to my video number 5, chapter 4, agriculture. Students, today we have to see about second last topic of this chapter, that is your technological and institutional reforms. Now children, as you know that in India people that depend upon the agriculture for thousands of the year. In spite of the better irrigation facilities in our country, many farmers in our country still now depend upon the monsoon and natural fertility. As in India we know that 60% of population for their livelihood they depend upon the agriculture. So it was serious need and the steps taken by the government to start the technological and institutional reforms. So first reform we have to see about the land reform. Now after independence the planning was done by the government. So in the first 5-year plan, which was started from 1st April 1951 to 31st March 1956. So in that reform the government started distributing the land between the landless farmers to just reduce the gap between rich and the poor. But somehow the plan was not implemented properly. Next is our Green Revolution. As we know student that in 1960s and 70s the government started this revolution to increase the productivity and production of the farmer, that is the to adopt the modern farming. As we know that Green Revolution is also known as the modern farming, that is excessive use of chemical fertilizers, HYV seeds, plenty of water, pesticides, insecticides, and the main crop which is grown in the Green Revolution was wheat, rice and etc. But children, again there was a disparity, because in some state the Green Revolution has advantages increasing the production as well as the productivity, but in some states the farmers haven't got the advantages of Green Revolution. So again the gap arises between the people, that is rich and the poor. Now next one is our Grameen Bank. Now children, government has started the Grameen Bank to give the loan to the poor farmers at a very low interest rate. That is, this bank was opened in India to provide the loan facilities. The government also provide the crop insurance for the farmers to protect their crop if it get destroyed due to lack of monsoon. Now next children, we have to see about the special weather bulletin and agriculture programs for the farmers were introduced on radio and TV. The government just announced the farmers about the condition of weather, so that the farmers can plant their cultivation on the time and increase their production, which will increase their income and their living standard. Now next is children, we have to see about the food security. Again it is very important in order to ensure the availability of the food grains to the population of our country, or you can say all the sections of society. Our government introduced the food security in India. That is through two channels, that is your buffer stock and public distribution system. Now it is a program which provide the food grains and other essential items to the below poverty line people in the rural as well as and in the urban areas. Its main objective is to ensure availability of food grains to common people at an affordable price. Affordable means the price which is less than the market price. Now this all functions are carried out by the Food Corporation of India. That is, it is responsible for procuring and storing the food grains whereas distribution is ensured by the PTS. Now government has started the MSP. MSP means minimum support price, in which the government purchase the crops from the poor farmers at a price lower than the market price. Lower, that is the price which is from which the farmers, good price you can say, that is the price which they do not get in the market. So that this plan was done is to just increase the income of the farmers, poor farmers, which are manipulated by the speculators and you can say the middleman. So the government also announces MSP so that farmers can get good price for their produce crops and they can get protected from the speculators and the middlemen. The next program which was started by, that is government established the Indian Council Agriculture Research. That is very important, children, so that in the field of agriculture there should be a more research done. The farmers should be benefited from this research. In spite of this, you can see various programs were started like agriculture universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, horticulture, development research and development in field of meteorology. Meteorology means, children, to forecast the weather condition to the farmers through the TV, radio channels, so that they can able to plan their cultivation on the right time and their production should be increased. For improving the Indian agriculture, these all programs were started to just improve the Indian agriculture and to increase the you can say income of the farmers. Next one is very important, Kisan Credit Card Yojana, personal accident insurance schemes are some of the other schemes introduced by the government of India for benefit of the Indian farmers. So children, today you have seen about the important topic, that is technological and institutional reforms. In this we have seen various reforms like land reforms, green revolution, Grameen Bank, special weather report, MSP, food security, government established various institutions, that is research centers, then various type of credit facilities also given to the farmers to protect them in their hard time. So children, I hope you understand my video. Thank you.